How to create a Netflix account from an iPhone. If you're looking to begin using the Netflix mobile app on your iPhone, you first need to create an account. To do this, open up Netflix.com in a web browser. From there, you can enter the email address that you want to create your membership with and click Get Started. You can then set up your account by clicking Continue. First, create a password for your account and click Continue. You'll then need to choose the type of plan that you want to create for Netflix. You can select each account to view the different offerings, and once you have your plan selected, scroll down and click Continue. Then enter your payment details for your account. For all plans, Netflix provides a 7-day free trial and won't charge your account until the 7 days are complete. Once you have your details entered, click Start Membership. Your account has now been created, and we can go back to the Netflix mobile app and click Sign In. Then enter the details of the account you just created and click Sign In. You now have an account created and you're signed into the Netflix mobile app to begin watching all of the titles featured on Netflix. And that's how to create a Netflix account on an iPhone. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.